Alright guys, welcome in or welcome back to my channel. My name is Kimberlyelese, and in today's video I'm going to be giving you my review and demo of the Mielle Mango and Tulsi Botanical Blend line. Before I get into the demo, this is what we're working with our hair. If you haven't already guys, go down below, hit that subscribe button, also hit that bell notification so that you don't miss when I post a new upload. Alright guys, we're starting out with freshly rinsed hair, and we're going to be going in with the Mango and Tulsi Botanical Blend Nourishing Shampoo. The consistency of this shampoo is a clear, medium type consistency. It's not too thick or too thin. It's like a standard shampoo. I'm just going to massage that into my hair and scalp. As you can see, this shampoo gives an awesome lather. It has a rich lather, which I absolutely love in my shampoos. It smells amazing, guys. This entire line smells like sweet mangoes, which I enjoyed as well. This shampoo feels very moisturizing on the hair. You can also detangle with this shampoo as well, which is a plus. I'm just going to work that in, giving myself a good scrub and scratch. While I get my hair shampooed, I'm going to tell you some of the benefits that this line has to offer. It says that this perfectly paired collection combines the queen of herbs, which is Tulsi, with the king of fruits, which is mango, to create this nourishing botanical blend. Tulsi is also known as holy basil, and it's known for being rich in vitamin C and zinc to maintain moisture in the scalp. It is also recognized for its wide spectrum of healing properties. It helps improve scalp health and strengthen roots. Rich in antioxidants, vitamins A and C, the botanical Magniferous indica, commonly known as mango, restores and balances moisture in the hair. Together, these vital ingredients deeply nourish to prevent breakage, moisturize dry hair and scalp, strengthen roots, and smooth a rough hair shaft. I would definitely agree, guys. This line is very moisturizing to my hair. My hair felt nice and strong and moisturized as well. As you can see, I am putting in the conditioner. The consistency of the conditioner is like a medium consistency as well. It's not too thick or too runny. It felt absolutely amazing going onto the hair. You can detangle with this conditioner as well. My hair instantly felt softer after putting it on. This line did not come with a deep conditioner, so you'll see later in the video. I'm just going to get a plastic cap and put on my heat cap for about 30 minutes. The shampoo is known to cleanse and moisturize. It removes scalp impurities while moisturizing the hair for softer, smoother strands. And the conditioner protects hair, helps strengthen and protect for stronger, shinier, and softer looking hair. After rinsing out the conditioner, guys, my hair felt amazingly soft, and now it's time to go in with the leave-in conditioner. The leave-in conditioner restores and protects. It restores moisture while reducing the appearance of breakage and frizz. It maintains a scalp health that is also vital for nourishment to the roots. The consistency of this leave-in is also like a medium consistency. It's not too thick or too thin. It has amazing slip, guys, and it absorbed into my hair strands nicely. I'm just going to coat my hair strands with this leave-in, making sure every strand is coated. After working in that leave-in conditioner, I'm going to go in with the Nourishing Styling Gel. The gel provides hold and it also defines. It delivers long-lasting, flexible hold while defining curls without flaking. Your curls will be soft and shiny. This gel has a thick consistency, but it's not as thick as something like Eco Style Gel. As you can see, upon putting it on my hand, it's not running down my hand. I'm just going to work that into my hair, and as usual when I style my hair, I'm going to go in with the bumpy side of my coiling sponge. This gel also has amazing slip as well, and the smell is amazing. I love the smell of all of these products, guys. And while using my sponge, I'm just going to go back and forth between my hands and the sponge. I use my fingertips to kind of fluff up my roots so that you don't see all those separation parts that you get from using a coiling sponge. This line also comes with a Nourishing Instant 3-in-1 Serum, guys, which I did not purchase with the line. But if you want to check any of these products out, I get them all from Ulta, and they're all $14.99 each. I'm just going to continue to go back and forth between the sponge and my fingers until I get the coiling definition that I like. And now I'm just going to go ahead and style my edges. You guys know I don't really care for using a edge brush or using an edge control paste on my edges. I like to use a gel or the styling product that I run throughout my hair. So that is also a plus from this line. You can also mold down your edges and it will hold them down as well. This gel does not leave a sticky or hard cast to the hair. It is very moisturizing and my hair was super duper soft, guys. I can't believe how soft my hair came out. It left an amazing shine as well. Another plus to this line is that I did not have to put more gel on my hair the next morning to refresh my hair. With some gels, depending on the hold, I would have to get up in the morning and put more gel and water on my hair to refresh it and go in with my coiling sponge as well. With this guy's gel, the gel the next morning, I did not have to add any more product. I just sprayed my hair with water and fluffed out my roots a little bit with my fingers and I was good to go. After I get my edges molded down, I'm just gonna go in with my fingers and separate the bigger clumps of curls that come up with using the curl sponge. While using a curl sponge, my hair clumps in bigger curls, so I'm just gonna separate those bigger curls by taking small pieces and twirling them around my fingers throughout the top of my hair. So I'm basically just gonna pick up the bigger curl clumps, twirl a piece of the hair around my finger and just let it go. I don't really have a defined way of doing this. I just go throughout the top of my hair and separate the bigger curls into smaller curls by twirling them around my fingers. And I'm just gonna keep twirling until I get something that looks like this. And then I'm just gonna take my fingers and kind of fluff up my roots a little bit, add some finishing touches. As you can see, my hair is super defined and super shiny with these products, guys. I absolutely enjoy using them. And this is what it's looking like before it dries. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I absolutely enjoyed using the products. My hair is super defined. I mean, check out these gorgeous curls, guys, that you get from using this gel. My hair is super soft to the touch. It's not hard or crunchy, and my hair feels amazingly moisturized. My hair is very moisturized from using this product. This line is advertised as being very moisturizing to the hair. So if you haven't already checked out the Mielle Organics Mango and Tulsa line, don't forget to pick it up. I got all these products from Ulta and they are fairly affordable. Most of the products in the line were about $14.99, so they're super affordable. If you're looking for a line that's very moisturizing to the hair, that's gonna give you soft, touchable curls, this is it, guys. Guys, the smell of the products is amazing. They all pretty much smell like a sweet mango type scent. So if you don't like scent in your products, you probably won't like this. The scent does not linger. Once you rinse the conditioners and the shampoos out of your hair, the scent pretty much goes away. But the gel does have a scent as well, the same mango type scent that doesn't linger as well. I absolutely enjoyed it. I was able to mold down my edges with this gel as well, so it does have like a slight hold to it, but nothing too hard or crunchy. All right guys, so that is it for this wash day video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you haven't already, go down below and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that bell notification so that you don't miss when I post a new upload. And until next time guys, bye.